Trina is one of the latest additions in the sleek range of chimneys. The elegant design with soft touch control options provide you with an amazing cooking experience. The suction capacity is 1900 meter cube per hour, which is the highest in the category. The suction can be controlled by 3 different options: a regular, a medium and a high suction. This will help you optimize the power consumed by using regular suction for light smoke cooking like cooking rice, making rotis, and high suction for heavy smoke cooking like making parathas, deep frying, etc. This is a filterless chimney, which means you do not need to hassle yourself with frequent cleaning of filters. The oil and masala will flow into the metallic oil collector for further ease. Just remove it, wash it with water, dry or wipe, and put it right back. It comes with an RPM meter which can tell you the speed of your motor at any point of time. Let's recap the USPs of Trina. 1900 meter cube per hour suction, highest suction capacity in category, filterless, ease of maintenance. Metallic oil collector, ease of cleaning, lifelong. RPM meter which can tell you the speed of your motor at any point of time.